Hello, in this practical activity, we are going to study logic gate using PLC. So, this is a PLC trainer kit in front of you. It is made up of Allen Bradley manufacturer. On this particular trainer kit, these are the digital inputs and these are the digital as well as analog outputs, and these are toggle keys. These are the mains supply. It is 24 volt DC and ground supply. And on this trainer kit, as we can observe, for this particular logic gate using PLC, we have to configure this into 0, 0, 1. It means DI is switch number 17, 18 and 19. We have to make this as 17 equal to 0, 18 equal to 0 and 19 equal to 1. So you can observe, if the switch is on upper side, it indicates 0 value, 0, 0 and 1. Now first consider OR gate. DI4, DI5 are the inputs, DO5 is the output. So DI4 is nothing but this input, DI5 is this input. So the input connection we can turn on and turn off by using these toggle keys. For example, consider this toggle key number 4. Now it is in off condition, so DI4 is also off. Now I turn on this toggle key number 4, logic 1. So this LED is on and green color light indicated at input side. When DI4 is 1, means input A is 1, B is 0, output is 1. This output is indicated on LED, light emitting diode, at output side DO5. So in this way we can have 4 different conditions for this OR gate. First condition is 0, 0, output is 0. For 0, 1, output is 1. For 1, 0, output is 1, and for 1, 1, output is 1. Similarly, AND gate, it is having input DI2, DI3, output is DO4. So we can check these 4 conditions for AND gate. Input number 2 and 3, they are having 0 value. Now condition is 1, 0. 1, 0, output is 0. For 1, 1, output is 1. For 0, 1, output is 0. And for 0, 0, output is 0. Similarly, consider NAND gate. NAND gate have input DI15 and DI16. Both inputs are 0, output is 1. Both for 1, 0, output is 1. Now condition is 1, 1. High values are at input, output is 0. When both are 0, output is 1. Next, these outputs, it can be observed on these LEDs. Consider NOR gate. NOR gate have input DI13 and DI14. These are the inputs for NOR gate. Both inputs are 0, output is 0. For 1, 0, output is 0. For 0, 1, output is, this output is 0. And for 1, 1, output is again 0. In this way, we can verify these logic gates on this IC, on this, sorry, not IC, on this trainer kit of PLC. Thank you.